Today, I'll show you how to change icon in Microsoft Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser or open Planner from Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now open the plan where you want to change the icon. Before we continue, it is important to know that Microsoft Planner does not always have a direct change icon button inside the plan settings. In many cases, the planner icon comes from the Microsoft 365 group connected to that plan. So, if you want to change the plan icon, you usually need to change the group photo connected to the plan. To do this, open Outlook in your browser. On the left side, look for Groups. If you do not see it right away, open the Apps menu or the Navigation menu, then find Groups. Now choose the group that has the same name as your Microsoft Planner plan. Once the group opens, look for Group Settings, Edit Group, or a similar option. Click it. Now look for the group picture or group photo. Click the photo area, then choose Upload Photo or Change Photo. Select the image you want to use as the new icon. For best results, use a simple square image like a logo, symbol, or clear picture. After uploading the image, adjust it if needed, then click Save. Now go back to Microsoft Planner and refresh the page. The icon may update right away, but sometimes it can take a little time to appear everywhere. If you still see the old icon, try refreshing the browser, closing and reopening Planner, or checking again later. If you are using Planner inside Microsoft Teams, the icon may also depend on the team or group connected to that plan. So if the Planner icon does not change from Outlook, you may need to check the related Microsoft 365 group or team settings. Also remember that you may need permission to change the group photo. If you do not see the edit option, you may not be the group owner, or your organization may block this setting. So, to keep it simple, Microsoft Planner icons are usually managed through the connected Microsoft 365 group. Open Outlook, go to Groups, choose the group connected to your plan, edit the group photo, save it, and refresh Planner. And that's how you change icon in Microsoft Planner. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.